Welcome to the Rise Windows YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you to enable or disable Microsoft Defender real-time protection on Windows 11. What is Microsoft Defender's real-time protection? Real-time protection is a security feature that helps stop malware from being installed on your device. This feature builds into Microsoft Defender, a comprehensive virus and threat detection program part of the Windows 10-11 security system. On Windows 11, real-time protection enables by default. It monitors events such as file processes, download files, attached files, and other events on your devices. When it finds suspicious activity, it immediately blocks them. This article will learn how to enable and disable real-time protection on Windows 11. How to turn on or off Microsoft Defender real-time protection on Windows 11. To enable or disable Microsoft Defender real-time protection on Windows 11, go for these steps. Click on the Search or Start button on Windows 11 taskbar and type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security to open it in the available search results. When the Windows Security window appears on your computer, choose the Virus and Threat Protection option in the left sidebar. Click the Manage Settings link under the Virus and Threat Protection settings. You will see a toggle switch under the Real-Time Protection option. Turn it off or on according to your needs. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.